Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about measuring cups and spoons. Now, I know I talked to you a couple days ago about measuring devices, and in that one I was talking about measuring distances. Well, now we're going to talk about measuring amounts. If you don't have extra measuring cups and measuring spoons, what happens in a disaster situation, whatever, if that measuring cup you have gets damaged or whatever, broken, melted, whatever, and now you no longer have that measuring cup? You need to store some extra ones because the rule is 1 is none, 2 is 1. It's because something happens to one of them, you're left with that backup one. All right. And so this is going to be kind of a short one here. So measuring devices for volume is something else to add to your preps. And I know some people are gonna go yes when I say what next. Others are gonna go ooh, Dollar Tree. The measuring device cups and stuff sets you can get at Dollar Tree at those prices. Yeah, you can get 2 or 3 backup sets. All right. So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicines, clothing, cooking utensils, including measuring devices. Why? This is why.